Good evening, traders. This is Nasdaq Godfathers so Forex, the kingpin of Wall Street, 2004 but lead Nasdaq. Hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. So, guys, this is actually on our YouTube channel. If you're actually new, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. So, right now, guys, we're actually looking at our Nasdaq chart, you understand? So, we're just going to be analyzing for Monday since today is actually a weekend, you understand? So, the markets are closed. So now we're going to be analyzing for Monday. You understand? Just going to be checking the overall direction of Monday. So yeah, guys, let us check what we have here. So first thing first, now you're just going to jump into your weekly time frame. On your weekly time frame, you need to look for your lowest selling point. This is actually my lowest selling point right here, and you're going to be looking for your highest turning point right there. You understand? So we can see like a beautiful reversal right there at the top. You understand when the market is actually reversing. So we since we're actually on our weekly time frame, you looking at this candlestick right here at this single candlestick, and you think that no, that's not a reversal. But whenever you're moving to lower time frames, you will see that the market is actually doing a beautiful retracement right there to the bottom side. You understand? So yeah, guys. Now, so that's actually our current resistance right there, and this is actually our current support. You understand? So yeah, it's pretty obvious that we're actually on a beautiful uptrend right there. You understand? The market has been giving us consistent highs. So we're just going to be putting our trend line right there, and you need to draw up like a trend line of two touches or more. You understand? But you need to make sure that you do look for three touches, like possible three touches. So I am looking for two touches right there, and I'm finding three touches right there. You understand? Is it three touches? No, it's actually two touches. You understand? So since the market is actually on our support, on our resistance right there at the top, from our horizontal trend and parallel trend, you can see that the market's already reversing from that level. So what I'm actually expecting from the market, looking at the weekly time frame, I'm expecting the market to come back to this level right here. Because remember, the market actually did pass this level right here and never respected it. You understand? So I am waiting for the market to actually come back to this level right here, and hopefully the market might eventually break this support right here, and the market can continue giving me more selling opportunities to the downside. You understand? Like come back straight right here into this support right here. You understand? So you can come back to me maybe after 2 years or after 1.5 year. You understand? And maybe you will see the market back at this level right here. You understand? But yeah, since Nasdaq has been working like constantly and has been improving and going nowhere but up, you understand? There are more opportunities of the market actually respecting coming back at this level right here, you understand, and giving me more buying opportunities going to the top side. You understand? So you can again come back to me after 1.5 year. You will see that the market might retrace from this level and going back furthermore to the top side. You understand? So for those investors, you understand, those buy and hold traders, it's more advisable for you to actually execute your buying opportunities at this level right here. You understand? So once the market actually touches this level right here, and you're seeing like a beautiful rejection at this point right here, take in your buying opportunities and make sure you do not strangle your account. You understand? Make sure you do not strangle your account. So take in your buying opportunities, maybe find a lot of money but execute like less positions and just forget about that account. You understand? Maybe you hold that account for years. You understand? Months also. You understand? And you will beg a lot of profits out of it. So yeah, guys, let's just go for furthermore to our analysis. You understand? So what we're actually looking for, we are actually looking for where the market actually broke our resistance, understand, the top side. So where the market actually broke the top side, that's the points where we actually analyzing. Those are the zones that we actually looking for. So I do have my touch right there. So I'll try and identify all of them. Yeah, I think that's about it. You understand? So now I think that's about it for our weekly time frame. I think we need to go furthermore to the downside to our daily time frame. So you have already done everything on your weekly time frame. You already know like your overall direction for next week. You understand? Then we're coming back to the downside right here. You understand? So we all know that, okay, the overall for upcoming weeks or maybe a month of March. You understand? Our overall direction is this point right here. this level right here. The market has to come back to this level, respect this previous broken high, and the market might giving us more buying opportunities, or the market might eventually break this support, turn it into a resistance, respect it, and you can execute your selling opportunities going to the downside. You understand? So those are the all opportunities that we're actually waiting for, and all the things that we're actually waiting for on Nasdaq. You understand? So moving furthermore, so we're just going to be drawing my major key from the bottom side going to the top side. You understand? So I do every time when you're drawing your major key, you need to draw it as if you're drawing a trend line. You need to have two touches or more. You understand? But once the market breaks the major key, just know that the market is no longer reversing. The market is no longer coming back to that level. You understand? So I'm now actually looking at this support right here. So this is actually my support. So once the market actually breaks this support and this major key, you understand, I'll taking in my selling opportunities going to the downside, and I will be selling and holding. You understand, up till this level right here. You understand? So that's where like a perfect place for you to be executing. You understand? Once the market actually breaks this support and turns it into a resistance by the candlestick closing below the structure, or the market actually breaking the structure and coming back to respect it. And once it respects it, it needs to have a candlestick that will close below below this trend line right here. Once the market actually closes above this trend right here, you understand. Just know that okay, your analysis are invalid. You understand. Your analysis are incorrect. You understand. So you shouldn't execute at the level. You need to find what's wrong. You understand. Meaning you should terminate those analysis and start again. You understand. So we are moving furthermore to our 4 hour time frame. So on our 4 hour time frame, right? So what we're actually looking at right now, we see that the market actually is actually on our current uh support right there at that level. You understand? So now we're actually looking at more buying and more selling opportunities for next week. You understand? So the market is actually on our support. You understand? So once the market actually breaks this support, respect it. I'm expecting the market to actually giving me more selling opportunities. You understand? Like how I was explaining on our daily time frame. You understand? See, on our daily time frame, on our supports, this support has been proven like that it was very very strong multiple times. You understand? So the market actually did reverse. The market was hesitant in breaking this support right here. You understand? So it's very very it's very unlikely for the market to actually break this support and go furthermore to the downside. You understand? So there are more opportunities of the market actually reversing from this level and going back to the top side. Or once if the market actually breaks this trend right here, you understand, I am waiting for the market to actually giving me more selling opportunities. One thing I know for sure, the market will not play around for a very long time at this trend. You understand? Because this trend is very very strong. So we are now moving furthermore to the downside. You understand? But I am looking at a beautiful trend right here. You understand? So this is actually a beautiful trend. But I was actually hesitant at drawing it because I was actually expecting it to draw it at our 1 hour time frame, or more lower time frames. You understand? So I do have my touches right here. We understand. So once the market actually breaks, you understand. So there are more opportunities of the market actually reversing because we do have our first touch right here and second touch right there. We have our first touch, second touch, third touch right there at the top side. We understand. So the market might not play around for a very long time inside this trend, inside this uptrend. You understand? So once the market actually breaks this downtrend right here, this uptrend, it might give me like a beautiful uptrend, a downtrend, excuse me. So once the market actually breaks, you understand, I'm expecting a beautiful retracement. You understand? And I'll be taking in my selling opportunities going to the downside. You understand? And once the market actually reaches this point, I'm looking in my trades. You understand? So if the market actually breaks at this level, once the market actually respects it, I'm executing more selling opportunities going to the downside. You understand? So those are the all things that I'm actually expecting from the market next week. You understand? So we're moving furthermore to the downside. So we're moving furthermore to our 1 hour time frame. So on a 1 hour time frame, I'm seeing like a beautiful is a beautiful double bottom right here, and this support the market has been failing to actually break it. You understand? So it symbolizes that this support is actually very strong. You understand? So once the market actually keeps on touching this level, it makes it weak. You understand? So there are more opportunities of the market actually breaking this level. You understand? And going for the more to the downside. You understand? So, what are we actually expecting now? What are we actually waiting for? Confirmations of me actually executing more selling opportunities. You understand? So, once the market actually comes back, okay, let me just move furthermore to lower time frames so you guys can see all the confirmations that I'm actually talking about. So, let me just move furthermore to my 15-minute time frame. Okay, so on my 15-minute time frame, you understand. So what I'm actually okay. So obviously, once the market actually opens, once as soon as the market actually opens on Monday, you understand. If the market actually gives me a gap, you understand. Once the market actually gives me a gap, and you'll see that the candlestick, the market will start moving from this level right here. You understand? From this level. So what I'm actually expecting, I'll be executing my selling opportunities, and I'll know wait for the market to actually break the structure. Still holding those selling opportunities. Once the market comes back, reverse, respect this that level right there. I'll be executing more buying selling opportunities going to the downside. You understand? So those are all the things that I'm actually expecting from the market on Monday. You understand? So once the market breaks this level, I'm taking in more selling opportunities. I'm taking selling potential selling opportunities. You understand? Going to the downside. So I think like the overall direction, judging from my analysis, the overall direction for next week, you understand, and for the upcoming weeks, the overall direction that I'm expecting from Nasdaq is sell potential sales. You understand? So we are now going to be unlocking uh more selling trends. You understand, like downtrends going to the downside. You understand? So yeah, guys, I think that's about it for our YouTube video, and the overall direction for next week is actually uh selling opportunities. We actually going to the downside. You understand? So yeah, this is just the Godfather. I'm showing you Forex, the kingpin of Wall Street 2000 followed by lead Nasdaq signing out. Down.